Today we're making a French frozen lemon tart that serves 8 and takes about 6 hours including freezing. Silky lemon mousse in a no-bake cookie crust, elegant and effortless. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 7 ounces of Petit Beurre cookies, crushed, about 2 cups of crumbs. This gives a classic French-style crust. 6 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted. This binds the crust. 2 tablespoons granulated sugar for the crust to lightly sweeten and crisp it. 3 large lemons, zest of 2, and 1/2 cup of fresh juice. Bright citrus is the star. 3/4 cup granulated sugar for the lemon curd to balance the acidity. 4 large egg yolks. They give body and silkiness to the curd. 6 tablespoons unsalted butter, cubed. This makes the curd glossy and rich. 1 cup cold heavy cream. We'll whip it to fold into the curd. 2 tablespoons powdered sugar to lightly sweeten the whipped cream. A pinch of fine salt to enhance the lemon flavor. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Lightly grease a 9-inch tart pan with a removable bottom and set it aside. In a mixing bowl, add 7 ounces of crushed Petit Beurre cookies and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, then stir to combine evenly. Pour in 6 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter and mix until every crumb is moistened and the mixture holds together when pressed. Press the crumbs firmly into the base and up the sides of the pan, then place it in the freezer for 15 minutes to set. Off the heat, whisk 4 large egg yolks with 3/4 cup sugar, 1/2 cup fresh lemon juice, the zest of 1 lemon, and a pinch of salt until smooth. Set the pan over medium-low heat and whisk constantly until the curd thickens and tiny bubbles form at the edges, about 6 to 8 minutes. Do not let it boil. Take it off the heat and whisk in 6 tablespoons of cubed unsalted butter, a few pieces at a time, until silky. Transfer to a bowl. Press plastic wrap directly onto the surface and let it cool 20 minutes at room temperature. In a chilled bowl, whip 1 cup of cold heavy cream with 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar until soft peaks form. Fold 1/3 of the whipped cream into the cooled lemon curd to lighten it, then gently fold in the rest until fully combined and airy. Pour the lemon mousse into the frozen crust, smooth the surface, and give the pan a few light taps to release any air bubbles. Place the tart in the freezer, uncovered for 1 hour. Then cover it and freeze for 4 more hours, or until firm enough to slice cleanly. Before serving, let the tart sit at room temperature for 10 to 15 minutes. Unmold it, and finish with the remaining lemon zest. Slice with a warm knife for tidy edges. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you loved this French frozen tart, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a recipe.